Hey everyone, Chris Lambert here with another unboxing video for my Halloween costume contest for 2023, where a bunch of us are dressing up like the characters from the Wednesday Netflix 2022 TV series. Well, let me open it up to find out first. Okay, I was afraid I'd damage the costume, but it does have a PO. Well, maybe not. It's got tape over it, so I did bring scissors also. Scissors and a knife and a couple of knives. I won't give it away. I'll open this up and see what this looks like. Boy, this one is... I wish I would have put this in a box. And this is good, but hard to open up. I don't want to cut into the costume. Okay, most of these costumes I got from either Amazon or Etsy or other oddball places, which some deliver, some I never hear from. And I got my money back on one of those. I'm about to get my money back on the Uncle Fester coat I never received, which was supposed to come from, I believe it was Sydney, Australia. They said it was on its way and it'd be here in no time at all. I think it's been about 6 weeks maybe. I'll have to check into that. I don't know how long it takes for stuff to get here from Sydney, but anyway, after I ordered it, I read a lot of bad reviews about their company, so we'll see. Sorry, I'm shaking everything. They really crammed this thing in here. Let's see. Can you guess what it is? Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, I don't really want to take this one out of the package, because this one is supposed to get really messy fast. I don't know if you can see, there's just a lot of hair. This entire costume is hair from head to toe, and if you haven't guessed who it is by now, it's Cousin It. I don't have a picture to show you. I think it's in 4 pieces. I think there's a headpiece with a hat. A smashed up derby is in here somewhere. There it is. I don't know if you can even make it out. And it's got the body costume, and I think there's 2 separate arm pieces, so that you attach to each arm. That's why I picked this one. It was kind of expensive, but you know, I wanted to look good. And the person I have wearing this costume likes to have a lot of fun and stuff like that. It's the derby hat he wears sometimes doesn't look too good on a costume. I bought another derby hat, a cheap one from, this one is Skeleton. I was trying to find a big one to cover all that hair. This thing has a lot of hair. Hopefully this one will work. It looks like a decent size. It's hard to find the sizes, whoops, on these. So anyway, that is the Cousin It costume. And maybe Cousin It will show up in season 2 of Wednesday on Netflix this year, I believe. So that's it. The Cousin It costume for my Halloween costume contest in 2023. I'll send pictures and maybe some videos after the contest is over. So if you want to see more of these unboxings or have any comments where I can get some good Wednesday costumes, I may include Goody, the ghost, or the ancestor of Wednesday. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one.